First, turn the first black switch to the heating direction. Then, turn on both heating switches and the PTFE belt switch. The PTFE belt will start running. The PTFE belt speed switch controls the corresponding frequency. Turning it to the right accelerates, and turning it to the left decelerates. Turn on the mesh belt switch. The mesh belt will start running. Use the mesh belt speed switch. Turning it to the right accelerates, and turning it to the left decelerates. Turn on the scraping switch. Slag scraping will begin, and the bottom spiral will start running simultaneously.
Turn on the cycling switch. The circulating oil pump will start running. Turn it off to stop.